let me tell you what you can do in order to try to fix your bypass charger not working with your Samsung Galaxy A57. So if you open the Game Booster settings menu and you cannot turn on the pause USB PD charging when gaming option, even though your bypass charger is connected, then there are three things that we need to consider. The first one is that the power supply must be compatible with Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Samsung Galaxy smartphones can be really demanding in terms of compatibility with the different brands, with different devices, and in the case of bypass charging, it is not different. So you want to make sure that your power supply, your bypass charger, is actually compatible with Samsung Galaxy smartphones. The second thing that you need to consider is that your bypass charger should have at least 25 watts. Over here we have the description, and it states clearly that the programmable power supply must have 25 watts or more. And the third thing that you need to consider is the battery on your phone. Bypass charging works if you have over 20% of the battery. If you have less than 20%, you will not be able to use bypass charger. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.